Namaste. This video I'm gonna tell you that law of attraction is not only about attracting your desires, your manifestations into your life, but it also is about you. Law of attraction is about you, what you are. Okay, so law of attraction starts with you, within you. Law of attraction is about only and only you. It's not about that circumstance. Whatever you are attracting into your life. What does it mean? If you want to attract love, you have to become love. You have to be in that frequency. How to become that love? You have to be in that frequency to attract anything into your life. Whatever technique you use, if you cannot feel it, if that feeling is missing, you cannot attract anything. The most important thing is that law of attraction is about you. Understanding yourself first, being specific about your goals and your manifestations is the most important thing in law of attraction. You need to be very specific about your goals and your manifestation. You cannot say at this moment I want this in my life, after some moment I want that in my life. You cannot say that. This is absolutely not applicable in this law of attraction. Law of attraction is about you, and you need to be very specific about your goals and your manifestations. What people does it, they are very much confused about their goals. Whenever you are confused about your goals, universe will give you all those confusing things into your life, and you will just sit in a corner of your and you will just think about your life, and you will just think about your day, that what has happened to me, why it has happened to me. And what they does is complaining about law of attraction, complaining towards the universe. They complain to the universe that law of attraction is not at all working towards their desires, which is absolutely not at all true, which is absolutely a false statement. Law of attraction works for each and every individual on this planet Earth. And how does it work? How people have become the master of this law of attraction? Law of attraction is about you being specific about your goals. If you cannot be specific about your goals in your mind, write it down. Write it down. Write your goals, write your wishes, which is the most powerful technique, which is one of the most powerful techniques of law of attraction. And it works for me. Scripting technique, of course. Scripting technique works for each and every individual. If only and only if that individual is scripting about their desires, scripting about their goals, about their manifestation in a positive state of mind, and only if they are in a feeling mode. You know, when you are writing when you are scripting, actually, if you cannot feel your manifestation, it won't come true. Unless and until you will feel your scripting, your manifestations, it won't come true. Of course, feeling is the most important thing in each and every technique of law of attraction, but you need to be very specific about your goals. What do you actually want? If you are attracting your dream house, interior design flat, if you are attracting interior designed flat, you need to be very specific about that flat details. In which location do you want that flat to be? In what time do you want that flat to be yours? In what floor do you want the first floor, second floor, third floor, or on which floor you want your flat to be, in which location. You need to be very specific about their prices, about the square feet of that flat. You need to be very specific about these things. If you are not specific, then it becomes a much more difficult task to attract your desires. It becomes much more difficult task, if not possible, to gain that knowledge, if not possible to get all those information about the price or the that square feet of that flat. You must know the room of the flat, how many rooms you want, how many bedrooms you want, where that balcony will be located, how many balconies will be there, how many kitchens will be there. Of course you have to know that. Of course, if you are manifesting anything of your desire, you need to be very specific about your goals. If you are not specific about your goals, then it becomes very much difficult to attract, to manifest that desire through that law of attraction, because universe only listen to those who are very specific. If you are confused towards your manifestations, towards your wishes, universe will give you only those signs which are confused. Yes, universe will reflect back that confusedness towards you. It's just a mirror, it's just a mirror. The way you look at the mirror, if you're not wearing lipstick, or if you are not given that blusher on your cheeks, and you're looking into that mirror and you're thinking that why this lipstick is not colored, why my lips is not colored, but you didn't apply your lipstick on your lips, how that will be appeared in the mirror? It's just a reflection of yours, right? The same is the universe. Whatever we are, universe reflects it to us. Universe is just a reflection towards it. It's just a reflection of us, and our life is just a reflection of us, because we choose our life, we choose our own path, where we want to go, what we choose, what actually we choose our own happiness, we choose the love, we actually choose everything of our own desire, and every scenes create our life, every scenes create our life. That's it. You need to be very specific about your goals, about your desires. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. If this video has given you much information about the law of attraction, please like this video and press that subscribe button below. Thank you so much. Love you all. Love you.